In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Progressive Insurance. To get started, head over to the Progressive website or open the Progressive mobile app. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is choose the type of insurance you need. Progressive offers several options, including auto, home, renters, motorcycle, and boat insurance. Make sure you select the category that matches what you want to insure, because that choice determines the quote process and the coverage options you'll see next. After that, begin getting a quote. At this stage, you'll be asked to enter personal information and details about the item you want insured. For example, if you're shopping for auto insurance, you may need to provide information about your vehicle. If you're looking for home or renter's coverage, you'll be entering property-related details instead. It's a good idea to have this information ready beforehand so the process goes more smoothly and the quote is as accurate as possible. Once your quote information has been entered, you'll move on to choosing your coverage. This is where you review the protection options available to you, including liability limits, deductibles, and any optional add-ons. Take your time here, because these selections affect both how much protection you'll have and what your premium may cost. The goal is to find a balance between coverage that fits your needs and a price that works for your budget. Next, review your quote carefully. You'll want to look over the estimated premium, any discounts that may be available, and the policy details shown before continuing. This step is important because it gives you a chance to confirm that everything looks correct and that you understand what is included in the policy. If everything looks good, the next step is to create your Progressive account. You'll enter your email address, create a password, and complete any identity verification that may be required. Be sure to choose a secure password and keep your login information somewhere safe so you can access your account easily later. From there, you can purchase your policy, enter your payment information, choose the policy start date that works for you, and submit your application. Before clicking the final confirmation, it's always worth doing one last review to make sure your billing details and coverage selections are accurate. After your purchase is complete, you'll be able to access your policy documents through your account. This usually includes your insurance ID cards, declarations page, and other important policy records. Download these documents and save them somewhere easy to find, especially if you may need quick access to them later. And that's how to sign up for Progressive Insurance.